From the common cold to COVID-19, none of us want to get sick. In order to help prevent the spread of COVID-19 and other illnesses, EngSense has implemented the following policies: the use of face coverings, health screenings prior to entry, physical distancing of at least 6 feet whenever possible, hand hygiene, the use of acrylic barriers where needed, regular cleaning and sanitizing. We also have a generous sick leave policy and health benefits, so employees do not come to work sick. We have made these changes in response to the COVID-19 pandemic, and will be strictly enforcing them for the health, safety, and well-being of our staff, customers, and the community at large. Thank you for your understanding and cooperation. Be sure to contact us if you have any questions.